Welcome students to Texas Tech, Costa Rica. This is our physics lab. This is one of the many state-of-the-art spaces that you will be spending time in. In this physics lab, you will take the theories that you learn in physics class and you will apply them to see if what your professors are telling you is actually true or not. And then of course, once you've gained all that knowledge, you will use that in your upper level engineering classes, which I may or may not be teaching you to gain more knowledge. Some of the experiments I've set up right here. So there's one experiment right here where we use what's called a force table, and we use that to study the interplay of different forces. So we have two weights hanging at the back here, and we're going to use this monitor to balance out those two forces and to read what that force would be. Then a second experiment that I want to show you is one about projectile motion. So we have a little steel ball sitting in this launcher, and we're going to shoot that ball out, and then we're going to measure how far that ball goes, and we can change the angle of this to see where it goes. So let's do a quick demonstration here. So I'll just have to pull the trigger, and it flew all the way past where it was supposed to go. That happens in experiments all the time. Then the third one that I want to show you here is an experiment that is about the interplay between mass, which is our little cart here, and then acceleration, which is going to be induced by the weight that's hanging from the string. So we have a little cart that's running on this track, and then we have a weight that's pulling on the cart. And once I let it go, it's just going to move forward. And then we're going to use the motion sensor in the back here to measure what we see. All right, so these were 3 experiments that you'll be doing in your first year of physics classes that you take here. Again, this is one of our many state-of-the-art labs that we have. We have lots of brand new equipment for you to use. As you will have noticed, this is a big space. We have a lot of these equipment sets, so we can have very few students work together. So it'll be a group of 2 or 3 students at a time working on each of these experiments, which means everybody gets a lot of hands-on experiments and can have fun with the equipment. With that, I look forward to welcoming you all to campus at some point.